Hello everybody, we're going to go ahead and make some taco salad here. I have been really disappointed in some of the restaurants that have taco salad. I don't know, they just don't make them very well. Anyway, this is lettuce. This is iceberg lettuce. I actually like it better than any others, but you can use any lettuce you want. I'm going to tear it up here. Get the lettuce out of the way. And these are tortilla chips. It doesn't matter which kind you use. And I'm going to grab a handful here and just break them up with my hand. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands because that is awful greasy. So I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to put in some beans. Now these are black beans, and you can use any beans you want. Red beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, whatever. And I'm going to go ahead and just use those all up. And then I'm going to go ahead and put taco meat. I've already seasoned this. I'm going to put it in here. And it's heated, so I'm going to go ahead and put in some cheese. I like to have Mexican cheese, but I am out of that. And I like to put it on the warm or the hot meat because it kind of melts it a little bit. And I'm going to put in some, oh great, some taco sauce here. And I make my own. So I'm going to pour a little bit this in here. You can put in pico de gallo. You can do any thing you want. And then I'm going to use some Dorothy Lynch. I actually like Dorothy Lynch. Some places you can't have it, but you can put in ranch or any other thing you want. There we go. You can put in sour cream. That's the way my wife likes it. You can put in other things. And this is how I like it. And stir it up really good. And what's really nice about this is if you have a bunch of people over, just line the things up. And then you can just put them all in later. And I'm going to eat this later. All right, so that's how you make a taco salad. And lately, like I said, I have not liked the ones in restaurants because they don't put beans in anymore. And I don't understand that. Anyway, we'll see you next time.